Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to turn on or off autoplay videos on LinkedIn platform. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you try to log into your LinkedIn platform, okay, so whenever you are in a home page, you will see the screen like this. Okay, so whenever you keep scrolling, you will see some of the videos in between. Okay, so now let's try to scroll down. Okay, so here you can see one of the video and I never clicked on any option to play this particular video because now the autoplay option is turned on. That means like any video if I come across on the LinkedIn profile whenever I try to log in, so the video gets played automatically. Okay, suppose if you want to turn it off or if you want to turn it on if it is not playing auto means. So for that what you can do is like you can just go to the LinkedIn and here you can go to the particular option, click on your profile pic and here you can see the settings and privacy. Okay, so click on that settings and privacy. Okay, so once you click on the settings and privacy, you can go to the account preferences. Okay, so just scroll down and here you can see the general preferences. Okay, and here you can see the various options like language, content language, auto play videos. So just click on this particular right arrow symbol. Okay, so here you can see autoplay videos that appear on LinkedIn, autoplay videos in your feed. That means like here it's turned on. Okay, so whenever I come across any video on the LinkedIn platform, the video gets played automatically. Okay, so here you can see like the video is getting played automatically whenever if I see any video. So here also you can see that particular video is getting played automatically. Okay, suppose if you just drag it towards left side, that means like if you just turn it off, like the autoplay videos option will get turned off, and whenever you come across any video on the LinkedIn platform, the video will not be played automatically. Okay, so here you can see like there is one video and it's not playing automatically because I have just turned it off. Okay, again if I turn it on, like the video gets played automatically on the LinkedIn. Okay, so now I will just try to refresh this. Okay, so I have already done the refresh. So now let's try to scroll down and here you can see one more video and it's getting played automatically. Okay, so this is how you can just turn it on or off the autoplay videos on the LinkedIn platform. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.